Today America is realizing the potentialities of this young entrepreneur named Anthony Morrison, who is a successful entrepreneur and online marketing guru. What we see today with Anthony Morrison has in fact sowed the seeds at his teens only, and now at the age of 25 he is holding several successful businesses, making this charismatic man a multimillionaire. He is not only a great entrepreneur but also a loving person who cares the human feelings and their sorrows. The success of Anthony Morrison came in the year 2008-09 when he consecutively wrote 2 books altogether. You must have heard about Anthony Morrison's The Hidden Millionaire and Advertising Profits from Home. These 2 books are amazing and can create miracle in your life, leading you to become a successful millionaire. These books have given financial freedom to many people who have followed his online marketing and sales techniques and strategies. Moreover, you will find his business profile quite attractive and influential, embedded with online retail, direct response, nationwide conferences, and much more. It is his great success that Anthony Morrison has got from his books, seminars, and programs used to be conducted at regular intervals. He further used to publish all his leading programs and speeches in LA Times, and that has helped him to avail wider attention among huge mass, who in the world don't wish to become millionaire, and if certain things happening in your society, then why not to plug that? This is what feeling Anthony Morrison has tried to create among the huge mass, and prompted them to come in touch with him through his various sources like his charity, and other online businesses. If you really want to see the secrets he has shared, then do immediate order for Anthony Morrison Advertising Profits from Home system, and you will find those secrets in some of his small printed manuals and DVDs. Here he has shown how to and what to do when you really want to jump your internet marketing businesses. Usually we paid and then expect the results, but here you just have to follow the techniques and strategies he has provided in his 2 books. Lastly, Anthony Morrison has decided to bring new ray of hope in the lives of people, and making this world to live more beautifully.